equalates postulate. Today we will discuss equalate postulate. A straight line may be drawn from any one point to any other point. This postulate implies that we can draw a straight line from a point P which will pass through another point Q. This is the point P and this is Q. If you can join, then you will get a straight line. Now the number 2, a terminated line can be produced indefinitely. So this is the line AB, and if you this postulate says a line segment AB can be extended on either side to form a line. You can also extend this line from B, and as well as you can also extend from. Now the third, a circle can be drawn with any center and any radius. So you can see here, this is the circle, point O is the center and OA is the radius. Now number 4, all right angles are equal to one another. ABCD, you can see here ABCD is a rectangle and all angles ABCD all are equal and 90 degrees each. Number 5, if a straight line falling on two straight lines makes the interior angle on the same side, it taken together less than two right angles, then the two straight lines, if produced indefinitely, meet on that side on which the sum of the angles is less than two right angles. You can see here this line. You can see here the two lines CD and AB. They are not parallel lines. So if you can extend both the lines, then you can see here the two lines will be meet at point number 4. So sum of the two angles, angle 1 and angle 2, less than 180 degrees. That means the two line, if you want to extend, then they can meet on point O. Now theorem. Two distinct lines can not have more than one point in common. So given, you can see the figure here. Two distinct lines L and M. To prove, line L and line M cannot have more than one point. And proof, let two lines L and M intersect in 2 points P and Q. But this assumption contradicts the axiom that there is one and only one line passing through two distinct points. Therefore, L and M coincide. So our supposition that the two lines L and M can pass through two distinct points P and Q is wrong. Hence, the two distinct lines cannot have more than one point in common. Now we will start exercise 5.1. Which of the following statements are true and which are false? So in this question, we have to tell which statement is true and which is false. Only one line can pass through a single point. So this answer is false. And so many, from one point we can make infinite number of lines. So answer is false. Now the question 2, there are infinite number of lines which pass through two distinct points. This is also wrong because the 2 points we can make only the one line. So there is a unique line passes through the 2 points. Now 3, a terminated line can be produced indefinitely on both sides. So answer is true. By Euclid's postulate, a terminated line can be produced indefinitely. Number 4, if two circles are equal, then their radii are equal. This answer is also true. If two circles are one over another, then they will coincide. So their center and boundaries coincide. Therefore, their radii will coincide. So that means if you can make two circles the same, if you can coincide, then the radius, center, each and everything should be equal here. Now number 5. If AB is equal to PQ and PQ is equal to FY. AB is equal to PQ and PQ is equal to FY. Then AB will also be equal to FY. This answer is also true. By the equivalence axiom, the things which are equal to the same thing, they are also equal to another. Now question number 2. In this question, we have to give the definition. So firstly, we will give the definition of parallel line. You can take two line L and M, they are the parallel. So two line L and M in a plane are said to be parallel if they have no point in common. If you want to take two line L and M and they cannot they don't have any common point in both lines, then they will be parallel. Now perpendicular line. So perpendicular line, we can make two lines L and M, and L and M said to be perpendicular if they form a right angle. You can see here the two lines form the right angle, so they are perpendicular to each other. Now third is line segment. A and B, a part of a line with two end points is called a line segment. AB has two endpoints A and B. They are the two fixed points AB. If you can join, then line segment. Now number 4. Radius of a circle. The distance of any point on a circle from the center is called radius. O is the center, and if you can make OP join, then OP will be the radius here. Now the fifth is a square. Fifth is a square. So you can see here a coordinate in which all four sides are equal and all four angles are 90 degrees is called a square. So in this square you can see all four angles equal 90 degrees and all sides equal. Now question number 3. Consider two postulates given below. First, given any distance point A and B, there exists a third point C, which is in between A and B. So the postulate says that 2 points A and B, there is a point C lying on the line in between them. So in this postulate, AB 2 point and C point lying on the same line. Now the second point, there exists at least 3 points that are not on the same line. There exists at least 3 points that are not on the same line. The postulate says that given the point A and B, we can take a point C not lying on the line through A and B. Given two distinct points, there is a unique line that passes through them. So question number 4. If a point C lies between 2 points A and B, AC such that AC is equal to BC, then prove here AC is equal to half of AC. So today we will do this question. Today we will do the last question of this number 4. So AB and point C between them. C lies between AB. So AB is equal to AC plus BC. So by equivalence axiom, AC plus CV is equal to AB. So AC is equal to BC. Now if AC and BC are equal, so AC plus AC is equal to AB. So 2AC is equal to AB. So AC is equal to half of AB. Now the next question, C is called midpoint of AB. Prove that every line segment has one and only one midpoint. Let C and D be the two midpoint on the line segment AB. C is midpoint of AB, so AB is equal to 2AC. That means AC is half of AB.